I really do want to take and thank each and every one of you that have taken the time to review the videos and look at them. And again, apologize. And in the slides before this video, made mention that I've actually been working through some technical difficulties, trying to get everything to function correctly. The lamp, I had to go ahead and just put it together. So again, some of the things that I was wanting to show in this third and final series, I should say, on this Cordey lamp is wasn't able to do it. I had to just go ahead and put the thing together. What I want to do is I want to take and show the lamp to you in its completed condition. Again, got the wires run in the back. And again, got the wires in there where they're protected, not going to have any problems rubbing up against something and causing a short down the road. Again, cleaned up well, put everything together. I did take and put 2 drops under each leg on the felt of the E6000 adhesive that I had referenced in the second series of the 3. I was actually going to take and show tying the underwriter's knot up at the base up here just below the bulb receptacle, and I had to go ahead and put it together like I said. And so again, a lot of things I wanted to show, I wasn't able to do it. It just wasn't able to happen this time around. I want to take and try to do it on the next few videos that I have. Now, I made mention that we went with a Uno lampshade. The very first shade that this thing had that came on it, and again was in really bad shape. That thing had like a 16-inch harp on it. Very tall, antique, older, very rough lampshade. This lamp overall is not 16, 18 inches tall, and so that lamp really just kind of doubled in height. Again, very pretty, but again, the owner did not want to take and spend that time or money. And so I found this Uno shade. One of the things that you'll notice is that it actually has a pastel pink material also, and then this area here, there is a kind of a pink, very pastel pink color. Now this particular lamp actually was painted with a very pastel, pink color. And again, I just want to try to keep it all together. And so the Uno shade, it actually sits down against this collar right here. This area here will sit right down and rest on that collar. Now, I actually have, again, all the pieces, and I made sure that they all matched in color all the way down to the base itself. And so the Nataways can tighten that down and make sure that that shade is going to be secured. It's not going to be rocking, moving around, during its usable life. All right, so get that tight down, and that holds that securely on the lamp. Now, on almost every lamp, in fact, all the ones that I've done, for customers here recently, I use a 3-way light receptacle, bulb receptacle. That way you have differing degrees or wattage of light that they can utilize, night light, a reading light. And so again, put the bulb in there. And again, once you take and tighten, see if I can see what I can unplug here. Again, once we take and plug the cord into the receptacle, then again, the lamp becomes hot and ready for use. And again, you can sit there and kind of see that's kind of on the low wattage, a little brighter, and then the brightest, again, throwing light out across, the living area, the bedroom, wherever it may be used. So again, it's definitely a lamp that's going to give years of service, actually decades of service to this customer and their family. It's actually going to her mother, which I believe I heard her say she was 92 years old, and I just hope that she enjoys that lamp. And again, finds comfort in looking at that thing and knowing that it has been rebuilt, that it's going to provide, decades of service. So again, I apologize for kind of being changing the way we did things. Our take was going to actually show, how I did some of the things, but again, technical difficulties did not allow that. And so hope you've had an opportunity to watch these. Hope you found it entertaining. And if you learned something, I'd be surprised with the way things have gone. But again, share with me any comments that you may have. Again, if you so desire, if you would take and hit that subscribe button. Again, shoot me some emails. Let me know, better ways to do things that I could have done to make the presentation better, to show things, in a little bit more detail, speed things up, again, just kind of, tell me what you think. Again, right above me, you'll notice that I've got my email address there, Patterson Lamps, Lamps, and that's Patterson, Patterson Lamps @gmail.com. And then my Facebook page, again, is Patterson Lamps, all one word, Patterson Lamps. Again, thank you so very much for taking time to review and listen to these things, and I hope to see you again in the near future.